Meaning of homemade.
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 Homemade. The term homemade refers to something that has been made at home, rather than being professionally manufactured. This could include anything from food to crafts to clothing. The result of something that is homemade typically has a more personal and unique touch, as it is made with care and attention to detail by the individual or individuals creating it. While it may not have the same level of consistency as something made in a factory, the charm and authenticity of a homemade product can make it stand out and be cherished by those who appreciate it.